In this video, we are going to focus on arithmetic progression. So we're going to solve a couple of examples and also try to master the formula. So the first example we have here is find the 28th term of the arithmetic progression 9, 13, 17, and 21. So before we go into solving this question, let's look at the formula we're going to use in solving it. So the formula is Tn equals A plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Here, the A is the first term of the sequence, while d is the common difference between terms. So for in this question, we have 9, 13, 17, and 21. Our A here is equals to 9, which is the first term. And then our n, that is the term we are looking for, is 20. Then for d, which is the difference between terms, the common difference between terms, we have 13 minus 9. So our d here is 4. Now when we substitute that into the formula a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, we have T20 is equals to 9 plus 20 minus 1 multiplied by 4. So when we solve the brackets, we have 20 minus 1 is 19. We have 19 multiplied by 4 plus 9. So 19 multiplied by 4 is 76. We have 9 plus 76, and our answer here is 85. So the 20th term of this arithmetic progression is 85. Now let's take another example. This one says, find the 35th term of the arithmetic progression 20, 17, 14, and 11. So we're still going to use the formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, where n is the term we are looking for, which is 35, and d is the common difference between terms. So here we have 17 minus 20, which is minus 3. And then for the a, which is the first term, here it is 20. Now when we substitute that into the equation, we have T35 is equals to 20 plus 35 minus 1 multiplied by minus 3. Now 35 minus 1 is 34. And 34 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 108. So we have 20 plus minus 108. And our answer here is minus 82. So the 35th term of the arithmetic progression here is minus 32. Now, let's take another example. Okay, this one says, it's kind of more complicated. It says, find the 18th term of the arithmetic progression, square root of 2, square root of 18, square root of 50, and square root of 98. Now you can go ahead and pause this video and give the question a try. So just like every other arithmetic progression we have solved here, we are still going to use the formula Tn equals A plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. But before we are going to move into using this formula, we can also write our arithmetic progression as the square root of 2. Then square root of 18 can be written as the square root of 2 multiplied by 9. The square root of 50 can be also rewritten as 2 multiplied by 25. And then the square root of 98 can also be written as 2 multiplied by 49. So the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 25 is 5. And then the square root of 49 is 7. So our arithmetic progression is going to look like this: square root of 2, 3 square root of 2, 5 square root of 2, and 7 square root of 2. Now, here, our first term, which is a, is equals to the square root of 2. And then the term we are looking for is the 18th term. Then for d, which is a common difference between terms, we are going to subtract 3 square root of 2 minus the square root of 2. So this is just like saying you have 3 square root of 2 and you're subtracting just 1 square root of 2 from it. So we are going to have 2 square root of 2. So that is our D. Now when we substitute that into the equation, we have T18 is equals to the square root of 2 plus then 18 minus 1 multiplied by 2 square root of 2. 18 minus 1 is 17. And 17 multiplied by 2 square root of 2 is equals to 34 square root of 2. So we have 2 square root of 2 plus 34 square root of 2. And our answer here is simply 35 square root of 2. Because it's just like saying you are adding 1 square root of 2 to 34 square root of 2. So that is our answer. The 18th term of the arithmetic progression is 35 square root of 2. Now let's take one more example. It says, find the nth term of the arithmetic progression 3 over 4, 5 over 4, 7 over 4, and 9 over 4. Now again, you can also pause this video and give this question a try. So solving this question, we are still going to use the formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So here, our first term, a, is equals to 3 over 4. And then d, which is the common difference, is equals to, we're going to subtract 5 over 4 minus 3 over 4. That is the second one minus the first one. Since they have the same denominator, we are simply going to subtract 5 from 3. So since they have the same denominator, we are simply going to do 5 minus 3, and that is going to give us 2. So we have 2 over 4, and still when we divide through by 2, we have 1 over 2. So our difference here, our common difference here is 1 over 2. Now when we substitute that back into the formula, we have T9 is equals to 3 over 4, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 multiplied by 1 over 2, which is the common difference. So 9 minus 1 will give us 8. And then 8 multiplied by 1 over 2, just like dividing 8 by 2, we are going to have 4. So we have 3 over 4 plus 4. So 3 over 4 plus 4 is equals to 3 plus 16 over 4. And 3 plus 16 over 4 is also equals to 19 over 4. So we can say the 9th term of this arithmetic progression is equals to 19 over 4. So like this, we are going to come to an end for arithmetic progression in this video. You can also find other examples and practice more on the arithmetic progression. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.